everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. You are about to watch a screencast about the most important information about temporary asylum in Russia. Let's go!
Hello everyone, this is the screencast about temporary asylum. So here's the offer basically. Alright, let's start from the scratch. So we have this law on refugees which says that if you're recognized as a victim of some sort of persecution on the basis of race, religion, citizenship, nationality, etc., so you can have this temporary asylum. Of course, you have to have certain legal grounds in order to be recognized as a refugee. The stages of work, quite simple. Basically, first we need to collect documents. Here's the required documents here, your passports, translation, notarized translation, of course, your migration card and your registration at the place of your stay. So then we prepare the documents and we submit them at the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Russia at the place of your registration. So then we need to represent your interest there. There will be a preliminary consideration of your application. It takes around 5 business days from the date of submission. And then there will be, let's say the real consideration of your documents, which takes 3 months. So then we have different outcomes, different options, right? If you'll be lucky enough, that means that you will be granted with the temporary asylum after 3 months of the consideration. Option number 2, if they would refuse our application, then we will need to go to the court and appeal this decision. Then, of course, in this case, we'll represent your interest in the court. We'll need around 3-4 court sessions in order to get the desired goal. So these are the terms. It takes about 4 to 5 months, and we don't count the court sessions. The total cost of the service is 70,000 rubles. We have the advance payment, and only when we get the positive result, which is receiving the temporary asylum, you'll pay the 40,000 rubles. In case if we'll need to go to the court, we'll need to get another 40,000 rubles. So basically that's it. Please stay tuned to our Telegram channel, to our YouTube channel, and contact us if you would like to have more information about this particular commercial offer. All consultations are free. We only get the reward for the result. Thank you so much and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel and our social media. Stay tuned.